Hey, welcome. This is a somewhat longer video showing the awesome time that Krista and I had when Bob and Judy came to visit. We took them to the track. This is Willow Springs International Raceway, or WSIR, in Southern California. And Chris had been pushing me to develop this hobby for quite a while now, and so we wanted to share it with family. This is part one. We'll probably do another one when my dad David and his wife Laura came. We had a blast with them as well, but this is the first one. Hope you enjoy, and we'll start off with a little bit of morning race prep we did. Same old. All right. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Good morning. Question for you. That's all right. There's a lot of room over there, so I'm wondering if I should just take it.
I would.
Oh, fair enough.
Shit.
Are you running both of them today?
No, just that one. That one over there.
It looks slick. That's a good livery.
Yeah.
So here I just wanted to take a minute and explain what exactly is going on. After you come off the track in a hot session, your tires are really warm and the pressures in them are quite high, and so it's kind of important to know whether your tires are being used to their fullest extent, and they're also one of the easiest places to adjust how exactly your car is handling. So I'm writing down temperatures on the outside, the middle, and the inside of every tire, writing down the pressures, and then sort of thinking about how the car was handling and what adjustments I want to make it a more stable or more playful ride on the track. And then this was, so I 3D printed this holder coming out of that dash, that little vent that defrosts the window. It still does that. I put some holes in it, but it holds this tablet here. And then I put the oil pressure gauge here inside that air vent.
Okay.
And that's it. It didn't come with ways to monitor any of that, so I added it. It's been fun. It's made out of Lego. The whole thing.
So yeah, Krista, we had a moment on another track where she was trying to tell me something, and I was seeing her point, and I heard the word tire, and I thought that meant get your tires over there, like,
Right,
because she coaches sometimes, she'll be like, you got to get tighter, you got room. She's pointing and saying tires, and I'm like, okay, it's either tighter or tire, so I'll go. And what she's saying is, don't put your tire, because there was a drop or something, and I'm getting tighter, and she's wigging out. She's like, this is not happening the way I want to. And finally the end of the session came, and we came off, and she was spitting mad. And I'm like, what? Like, I didn't know what I did.
Yeah.
And so that's when we came up with, is like, no matter what the words are being said, this means come in.
Okay.
Cool off and come in. So we established the safe word, the bailout.
There you go.
I know there's more speed in that corner, but I'm not. I don't want to find out.
That's fine.
That guy's fast though, he passed me last time.
Your low tire light never went out.
It did. That's the traction control one, but
Oh.
I did notice it stayed on for a while. So I'm curious to check them and see where we are, because it'd be nice to not be too low.
I didn't want to talk, so I wanted to let you concentrate on what you were doing there.
That's fun. 147.
Is what?
That was best lap time.
Oh, okay.
Sideways, like we're saying. I can do that. No problem.
Tour the paddock.
Yeah. That one felt a little faster to me.
Yeah, I think so. The timer, but my thumb was, I don't know, the timing is here. I'm pushing it as I cross the line.
Oh, I see.
So we were close. We were running 147s, which our fastest before was 147.7. By myself on a quarter tank last time when I had no fear because I hadn't been off it. We did 145.7.
Okay. Judy was on it. The girls are?
Yeah.
Where'd they go? Gift shop? Either the gift shop or the bathroom.
There she goes.
Maybe Judy had to go to the bathroom. Oh, jeez. Yeah, she could drive on that track pretty close. Watching her cruise around the highway down there. Yeah, pavement ends 500 feet, so.
That wasn't it. Oh, this off.
Yeah.
So no.
Yeah, this don't look like the road you want to
no,
go flying
no,
down.
No.